Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set as active in Slack. First, what you want to do is click on your profile on the bottom left side here, and sometimes if you're like not using the website for a long time or the app for a long time, or you just alt tab to another website or something or another app, this will automatically, not sometimes not right away, but sometimes right away they make it as an away status right here. So if you want to set it as active, just simply click on your profile, and as you can see, you can set yourself as active. And to avoid that, I suggest that you just keep uh like typing anything or like moving your mouse on that website or on this website so that it will stay as active and it will not set as away. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.